Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve notifications on Twitter. To know how to fix or how to solve notifications on Twitter, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to click for stop. You will click here. You will enter to the application of Twitter. Then you can click here for stop. After that, you will go to click storage. When you will end this, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.